Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your Instagram password in just a few easy steps on both Android and iPhone. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From here, tap on Accounts Center to open this page. Then tap on Password and Security. Tap on Change Password. Choose the Instagram account you want to update. Now, enter your current password first. After that, type in your new password, then enter it again to confirm. Once that's done, tap Change Password. And that's it. Your Instagram password is now successfully updated. If you have any question about this video, please leave it in the comments section below.